Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to keep green beans fresh in your refrigerator. First, select high-quality beans that are firm and vibrant. Next, trim off any tough ends, but avoid washing them at this stage. This initial preparation is crucial for extending their freshness and ensuring they are ready for optimal storage. One effective method involves wrapping your unwashed green beans in dry paper towels. This helps absorb excess moisture, which is a primary cause of spoilage. Then, place the wrapped beans into a plastic bag, like a zip-top bag, and seal it, leaving a small amount of air inside. This creates a protective environment. Another excellent way to store green beans is using a container with water. Stand the beans upright in a jar or a similar container. Add approximately 1 inch of water to the bottom. Then, cover the top of the jar loosely with a lid or plastic wrap. This method keeps the beans hydrated and wonderfully crisp. For best results, place your stored green beans in the crisper drawer of your refrigerator. This area maintains optimal humidity levels. Remember to check them daily for any signs of moisture buildup and replace paper towels if needed. With these methods, your green beans can stay fresh for about 7 to 10 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.